Hey guys, welcome to a video. This is the first time I show my voice because we haven't figured out how to do it. But yeah, I'm here with my friend. Where is he? Yeah, he's still on the server. I don't know where. Oh, there he is. Levi did Levi's money thing. Also, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to help support me and my friend. To help me and my crew, I guess. I don't know really. Yeah, you can say hi to YouTube, or to the internet. Uh-oh. Let's get into a pile, people. Ah! Oh god, there's a horseman. Let's see. I'm joking. Oh, egg. Egg. I am. Oh, look! Button presser, yay! It's me! So, yeah, what I was saying, is this is my first time having my voice. So, if you haven't know what my voice sounds like, this is what it sounds like. And also, go check out JG Pro. Also, he's Jonathan the Pro in Roblox, and I'm Miana Awesome, which is right there in the corner. What? Get it, people! Get the phone! What? How could? Oh! That was dumb. Oh, Levi! And also, Levi is not a YouTuber. He's not a YouTuber, but his dad is. He's just my friend and owner. Whoa! What's happening? What's happening? Fucking pressure. I know it's Levi. Button pressed. That's making no sense. It will be me. Why was it me? Sure, gotta hurry. Tsunami's coming. So yeah, if you also want to see more videos, smash that. Oh shoot, tsunamis coming. If I don't make this, I'm gonna freaking. Well, I'm not gonna make it. Yep. There's my turn. Please tell me it was me. Yeah, it was me who did it. It was pink. I choose. I slide. 2 targets. Wee. I made it. Now I'm gonna leave before I fall off for life. Wee. Gimme. No. I will never leave. Good, everyone. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.